Recently bought a Cassio CTX 3500 and it has some clicking noises. I don't know if yours does, but mine is like, if I touch this only slightly, it does like click. And then I thought how to fix it. So I took apart the keyboard. They were only like on the back side. On the upper side, there are like, I don't know, some screws. And afterwards you can turn it around, but be careful not to like rip off the cables that are right there. And then I searched for the clicking noise, and the clicking noise is basically this button right here. If those keys with that thing touch the button, it makes a weird clicking noise. So, let me get that out there. I just took some tape and put it onto there, so that the contact to the button isn't that hard anymore. And now it works pretty fine. Like, it's difficult to demonstrate, but there are no more clicking noises. So just put some tape there. I used like, I don't know, medical tape, but I guess duct tape will be fine too. I tried it and it works as well. So if you have that problem, I hope you can solve it. Don't rip that cable off.